Hi there, this is just a very quick minute with Melissa, and simply to ask you, are you noticing any signs and symptoms which are not conducive to being healthy and feeling well? What's showing up for you at the moment? Are you experiencing headaches? Maybe you've got skin rashes, stomach upsets. Perhaps you're not feeling too great, just not right, unmotivated, fatigued, really tired, and just not yourself. Now, these can be signs that we're particularly stressed and things are just getting a bit too much, and they can be signs of other things too. So if anything's showing up for you and you're not feeling quite right or you're not quite sure, then please get things checked out by your GP. Check in with yourself and ask yourself whether you're looking after yourself too. You know, you're having that downtime, good food, sleep and so forth. Any questions, please do drop me a message, melissa@seawithin.co.uk, and in the meantime, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and bye for now.